preparada?
Eso de las llamas eternas no me asusta. Lo mismo me pasa cuando como tacos de achicalada con salsa de la que pica. Arde regacho el sisirisco.
Pues ya vas, tendrás ese cuerpecito.
I'm on my way, boss. What's going on? Damn him. I didn't mean to be inside and possess this body.
Lo que pediste yo te lo cumplí. Como decía Derbez, no se aceptan devoluciones. ¿Querías tener ese cuerpo? Pues ahí lo tienes.
And what am I going to do now? Honestly, I'm really hot. What am I talking about? Look at that. That bag doesn't go with those shoes. That dress makes her look fat. I'm reacting like a woman. Don't cry, or your makeup will get full of blemishes. But why am I speaking in perfect English? Man, those arms. So hard. Roberto, what's up with you? Control yourself. I need a drink. These heels are killing me. It sucks being a woman. Everyone is looking at you with lust, plus creeps on the metro and a couple of piggy compliments that I don't ever dare say. What's that with? Let's clean the monkey's mouth? Being a woman is hell, no doubt about it.
¿Qué pasó, Ricota? ¿Te invito un trago?
You want a beating, asshole?
Voy.
This can't go on. I would do anything to be Roberto Perez Garcia again.
Escuché tu lamento. Yo puedo hacer que vuelvas a ser Roberto.
Are you the devil?
Pero para volver a ser Roberto, tienes que acostarte conmigo.
I'll do anything, just get me out of this body. Deal. And when will I begin to see change?
Pues que quedaste embarazada como a los 3 meses.
What?
Era broma, era broma. ¿Y te gustó?
It wasn't bad, but I don't want you to think that I'm easy.
Tú no vayas a pensar que yo soy el diablo.
Son of a... You'll see, you stinky.
¡Pestoso!